Hey there, in this video I'm going to teach you about document management. And the documents are basically the templates that you're going to use to attach to your form processes. If you go to manage documents, you'll be presented with three sections underneath that. The first two are extremely self-explanatory, so I'm not even going to bother with that. The third section, however, is pretty important, so I want to at least touch on that for a second. In the first form video, I actually created a test form, and in this example, I'm actually going to pull that up. I believe it was basic form for video. Okay. In that form, I actually made two fields, I believe, and this is important to note. This is probably the most important piece of the entire series here. So I'm going to select that video from the list. Okay. Cool. So what it shows you here is the field name. This is basically the name that I picked for the field, is collecting information. You know, first name, what's your business name. This is the step or the location. So this field was actually located in the personal information step, etc. The reason why this exists is, you know, for example, you may have 6 different steps that you're asking the person the same field name. So this allows you to determine which field name you're actually referring to. And this here is called the smart tag. This is what you would put within your document template in place of wherever the first name would go. And I mean, it seems kind of complicated of a topic, but it's truly not. So for example, if you had a document that's, you know, collecting information for a lease, instead of, you know, within your Word document there in a blank, you would actually copy and paste the smart tag for that first name and actually put that throughout your document. And the same thing for all the other fields. So if you had, you know, first name, last name, date of birth, social security number, all that stuff, they would all have a unique smart tag. And you use these smart tags when preparing your document for use within the system. So prior to importing any documents, you need to pull your form in the doc prep tool, and you need to get all the smart tags and just prepare your document template, and, you know, just ensure it looks perfect, you know, the way you want it to, and save it, and then go back to the section, document import, find your file, pick a name for it, and place add. And from that point on, your document will be in the system. So what you can do is, once it's in the system, you'll actually need to go back to the form management portion, and you'll need to attach that document that you just brought into the system to the form. And from that point on, that's pretty much it. Thanks.